So welcome back to another lecture on metrology. So before getting into today's topic, just a quick recap. From the previous lectures, what we have discussed is regarding introduction to metrology, various concepts of metrology, such as accuracy, precision, interchangeability, need for measurement, and different classifications of metrology. So in today's lecture, we will be discussing about an important concept called as inspection. So inspection or quality testing is an important phase of manufacturing process. So if you take a basic manufacturing process, the first step would be the designing stage. Once the design is confirmed, then you will go for the production stage. So during production, once the component is produced, we will do quality testing. So in quality testing, you will be checking various parameters, the actual quality of the component, feeling of the component, and the dimensional accuracy of the component. So how the component is according to measurement. So that we will be testing. That is called as inspection. So inspection can be done with the help of measuring gauges. So there are different gauges used for measuring. So there will be a set of parameters. So those parameters have to be passed by the product in order to be qualified. For example, if you are manufacturing a spanner, say spanner, then it will be tested for, first it will be tested for its hardness, strength, then the dimensions, the length of the spanner, the thickness of the spanner, and the measuring, and you'll be measuring the various parts of the spanner in order to determine whether it is according to the actual design. So how you will measure? We'll be measuring with the help of gauges. So those gauges play a vital role in inspection. So what are the need for inspection? Why you have to do inspection? We will see. First one, as we have discussed, determine the quality. Then change in technology. So if the product is not according to the specification, then what you can do is you can change the manufacturing method. So the spanner produced by the certain process, forging process, is not sufficient, then you can go for increasing the testing of the product in order to improve its quality. So you can alter with the manufacturing methods. Then if it is sufficient and you are satisfied with the product, then you can go for mass production. Mass production is producing the component in a large scale, say 10,000 components per day. So that is called as mass production, large scale production. So once you go for mass production, you will save money. So any component which is produced in a small scale, compare it with the large scale product. For example, you take your cloth itself, the shirt or pant you are wearing. It's a ready-made shirt or pant, it will cost less. If you go for stitching, then it will cost more because it is crafted according to your individual taste. So like that, any component which is produced in a large scale, automatically cost tends to come down. So that is the fourth point, which is saving money. Once the component is mass produced, then considerable amount of cost can be reduced. Then there is an important concept called as interchangeability. So interchangeability is nothing but you are producing components in such a way that one component can be used in place of another. For example, nut, bolt, screw, any component, it can be used in terms of another. One nut or bolt can be used in terms of another. But nowadays, proprietary nut and bolts are used in mobile phones like iPhones, etc. So that is for their own sales point of view. But if you take any large scale component, it will be interchangeable in nature. So if anything readily available in market can be used to substitute the product, in order to reduce the downtime of the product. So that is called as interchangeability. Then to develop a reputation. So the main reason for inspection, testing, all this is to ensure quality. So if the quality is better, then the customer will be satisfied and they will be looking out for a product. So quality always plays a major role. Swiss knife, iPhone. Why we are mentioning these names are because it is because of the quality, brand quality. So that's the reason. These are the reasons why we are going for inspection. So I hope you understood today's topic. We'll see in yet another lecture video. Thank you, students.